Nawa was taking the dogs to physiotherapy, which had them stepping over small hurdle-like structures that she was supposed to do every day to keep the dogs going. We decided that we could rather do this instead, and it works really well. Hello, we're doing the back and forward through the tunnel trick. The dogs really have her on a treat. Gone back the other way again. What a hard case. This is called quality of life training. All dogs need it. Hello, we'll try again. I think she's going to be doing the same thing.